Well, we got a new appliance today and we're going to test it out. First off, we're going to use an appliance that we've had for a couple of weeks now and make flying saucers. But the new appliance we're going to use, we're going to test it out and we're going to make fries. And I'm just looking at it, that's why I keep looking over there. It's cooking dinner now, which you'll see later in the video. Cooking breaded chicken drumsticks in our air fryer. Making pancakes for breakfast. There's the mix ready to go. Oh, this is ready. Let's do it. Do you shut the lid? Enjoying your pancake?
Yes, Daddy.
Dinner is ready to go. This is preheating. 1 minute to go. And we should put that in, and they reckon 20 minutes, and we shall have, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, we shall see how it goes. And away we go. Making the gravy. Dog.
It's not hot yet.
Splash a bit on your forehead, see if it's hot. We haven't had this breading for a long time. How's this going? 15 minutes to go. This is the inaugural test run for the chicken. We cooked French fries earlier, as you know. But this is real food. A bit of too big in there? When it's time, eh? Yummo. What do you think, Pearl? I cut one open and it's cooked to the bone, yeah. Yeah. They say in the book, chicken, well, the automatic timer says 20 minutes, but I did another 3 and then another 2, so 25 minutes, and they were cooked properly. Yummo, it's going to be a good dinner tonight. Yummo, good investment. Is the chicken good? Leanne, is the chicken good?
Yes.
What did you think of the chicken, darling?
It's good.
Yummy?
Yes.
Yummy? Here we
You
are.
can't even see me.
We're in the dark. We're here. Look. You're there, that bright shining light in my life. There you go.